Welcome back to Akita, the adventure into Denmark, and this is the first of many videos from our trip. Today we will explore a nature paradise with stunning sea view, horses, a walk to the beach, Danish architecture, and of course the charm of our dog Chyioko. So let's dive in! We have swapped our car for Tesla to save on food, and here we are. This gate leads us into nature paradise. Georgian horses to the left. And what I do see in the right? No, I'm not talking about you, Chyioko. Look at that beach, it's amazing. I need to see it up close. Let's head down. This step led us to a beautiful sandy shore. Unclip me so I can run around. The sand is so soft and the sound of the waves is so calming. Chyioko wants treat, so we are doing a quick training session for a river. Let's take a look from above. On one side, the sea, on the other, green grass. Horses grazing on the hill. And look, there is a house straight out of fairy tale. This traditional Danish house showcases the unique architecture of the region. And on the beach, Chyioko is taking it easy. By the way, Chyioko is transferring from winter to summer fur. See how the tufts are flying off? But now it's time to head back. Let's tackle the stairs and pass through the gate one last time. A final look at this stunning place before we set off to explore more. Goodbye, horses! Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Akita for more travel stories with our Akita Inu. See you in the next video. Until then, happy travels!